Hello. It was such a beautiful sunny day, so we decided to do something refreshing with family and friends. We enjoyed a variety of delicious food, and kids were literally so happy. We were at a jungle site surrounded by, as you can see, trees and nature. Surprisingly, there was even a playground, so the kids stayed busy playing while we relaxed. Later, we lit a campfire, had some chit chat with girls, and just soaked in the peaceful vibe. You can just imagine nature and peaceful vibe with good food, good mood, good people, positive vibes around. So it was such a lovely Sunday, time well spent. There's nothing better than being around nature. Ah, so my Sunday spent very well. I hope um, in the further coming days, sun arise like this as well, and I hope we can do different kinds of fun activities. अहिले त जस्ट अप्रिल मात्रै हो, मे जुन जुलाई अगस्त स्टिल बाँकी नै छ. होप राम्रो होस् योपालिको वेदर, अनि यस्तै इन्जोय गर्न पाइयोस् फ्यामिली अनि फ्रेन्डसँग. अनि यो सकिएपछि हामीले हल्का डान्स पनि गऱ्यौँ, अनि क्याम्प फायर गरी एकदम रमाइलो भयो. त्यस्तो चिसो त थिएन, तर पनि हल्का अब त्यो जङ्गलमा हुँदाखेरि अलिअलि हावा चाहिँ लाग्ने रहेछ. एकदमै रमाइलो भयो. अनि त्यसपछि घरतिर लाग्ने बेला साँझ भइसकेको थियो, अनि घरतिर लाग्यौँ हामी सबै सामानहरू बोकेर. थ्याङ्क यू फर